Hi there, welcome to Moto Fury. Our objective is to bring you quality content of true moments captured on biker cams. We believe this offers great educational value for our viewers. So if you're new, consider subscribing, and never miss a video. Anyway, have a great day. And drive safe. This is a quiet mountain road away from the stress of the city and people. It's a perfect way to spend the weekend traveling. The biker continues on his way unaware of what will happen next. I hope he has recovered from the effect of the event as soon as possible. Here is a driver who thinks he is the owner of the road. If the biker had noticed the car 1 second later, he would probably have to drink soup with a straw for the next few weeks. The driver of the vehicle is very lucky to come across a quiet biker. The bikers are returning home calmly after work, but unexpectedly they see a blind and deaf driver behind them. As the driver talks, the biker gets angry. Everyone goes about their business before the event gets worse.
What's up, mate? What's up? Why are you 2 foot from his bumper? Why are you so close? Why are you so close to his back wheel?
What, only at the light?
Bollocks! You followed him all the way up there. When I fucked off, I've turned then you're about 4 foot from him.
Only at the lights affecting him.
He's on a bike, man. Off! Give him some respect, will ya? Off!
You may be very surprised by the event you will watch now. When the BMW driver enters the lane of the biker warns him, but the BMW driver, who is angry with the biker, hits him and drops him. Nobody wants an accident, but it seems like it was done on purpose.
Ты охуел, блядь, мудила? Я тебя справа обгоняю, по зеркалам смотри, мудак! Как я могу? Хули ты делаешь, блядь? Чё, давай, выйду. ГАИ вызывать будем, блядь, мудила.
Now I'm going to prove to you how polite car drivers can actually be. The black man who invades the biker's lane realizes how dangerous what he's doing is and apologizes to the biker repeatedly. Let's see if the biker will accept the guy's apology, or is he going to show the middle finger?
What was that? Jesus, not sorry, you could have killed me.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. No, you know, this guy just come to take it that side. I'm afraid that it's going to die. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry.
Please, my friend, you must look out for guys on bikes.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Please.
Yo, you gave me a fright there.
I'm so sorry.
Alright, just look out next time.
You will understand the value of following distance in this scene. The biker gets very angry with the driver behind her, and her anger doesn't seem to stop for a long time.
What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
You should have like a dig there.
What?
You can't just cut in.
Yes, I can. It's called filtering. You're allowed. It's completely legal. It actually is. Google it. There's no need to do that at all. Absolute fucking child.
There is an event that you can't see every day. The biker who goes out to the street looking for fun finally finds what he is looking for. This is a huge tornado. The biker gathers his courage and goes to the hose. The rest is interesting.
Olha, vamos subir aqui. Cara, se liga naquele redemoinho. No meio do canteiro de obra do Hospital do Amor, né? Não é nem Hospital do Câncer. E aí, bora ficar sujo de poeira? Ele tá vindo pra cá, hein? Tá vindo pra cá, hein? Mano, eu vou comer poeira pra caralho, bicho. Mano do céu. X-Racing, isso vai pra observações diárias? Cara, ele tá parado. Ele parou, velho. Ele tá ali no meio, ó. Vamos chegar perto. Ele parou ali, ó. Olha isso, cara. Olha o tamanho do bicho. Olha o bicho vindo, moleque. Mano, olha lá. Olha lá. Meu irmão. Olha aí. Ele não passa da cerca, não. Ó, tá passando agora. Tá entre a cerca e o caminho aqui, mano. Velho, esse aqui tá durando tempo, ó. A poeira levantando. Cara, a câmera deve estar toda suja. Olha isso. Olha o bichão, estamos de frente pro bichão. Olha isso, velho, vamos chegar mais perto. Olha isso, cara. A poeira. Mano do céu, olha o tamanho do bicho, cara. Olha isso. Mano, olha essa poeira, velho. Ó, tá se desfazendo, tá ficando menor. Será que agora ele acaba? Ó, tá sumindo. Opa, opa. Cara, eu vou ficar só terra, mano. O que a gente não faz pra poder pegar essas imagens pra vocês, bicho? Ó a poeira, mano. Nossa senhora. Mano do céu.
In this scene, the biker sees a woman pulling her car over and peeks around to see what's going on, while she sees a 10-meter-long python. The biker is very lucky not to face the python.
Olha ali a menina, olha. Olha o tamanho. Vou atravessar ali. Só em Palmas. Oi? Só atravessando a rua. Olha que linda, menina. Tchau, neném.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.